In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Figma slides as a PDF in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to efficiently export your slides is an invaluable skill. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Figma. Figma is a robust design tool that's widely used for creating, presenting, and sharing visual projects. Once you've reached the Figma login page, go ahead and log in with your account credentials. If you're new to Figma, you might need to sign up first, so make sure you have your login information handy. After you've successfully logged in, navigate to your Figma presentation deck. These are the slides you've prepared and are ready to export. Make sure you have all your final edits and previews completed, so the exported PDF reflects exactly what you envision for your audience. Next, look to the top left corner of the Figma interface. You should see the Figma logo, which appears as an F icon. Clicking this icon will open the main menu. This menu is where you'll find a variety of options for managing your files and projects in Figma. Once the main menu is open, go to the File option and select Export Slides to. In the modal that pops up, you'll have the opportunity to select the file type. In this case, make sure to choose PDF from the list of available formats. Selecting the right file type is crucial because it ensures your document maintains the highest quality when viewed on different devices or printed. Now, you'll want to configure the color profile and quality settings according to your needs. The color profile is particularly important when dealing with graphics and images and ensures that colors are accurately represented. The quality setting will determine the resolution of the final PDF. Choose a higher quality for crisp, clear visuals, especially if the document will be printed. At this stage, you'll have the option to export all slides or only selected slides. If you're in a rush or just need specific parts of your presentation, selecting individual slides can save time. Carefully review your selections to ensure only the necessary slides are included in the export. Finally, click the Export button to start the download process. Depending on the size and number of slides, this might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder to find your newly exported PDF file. From here, you can easily share it via email, upload it to cloud storage, or print it for distribution. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your Figma slides as a PDF. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident using Figma for your presentations. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!